My name's Andrew Allen. I'm here to talk about one of the details that we did to reproduce this railing and gate. The posts here, they look solid and everything, but they're not. The reason that they're not is because underneath this floor, we have a concrete floor. So there's really no way to anchor a wooden post to the floor. So I had a metalworking professional custom make these stainless steel posts that is 1.5 by 1.5 inches, and it has a metal flange. So in the process, we were able to take Tapcon's concrete screws and actually screw the floorboards down through to the virgin concrete. All right, so that stiffened up the steel post that this post is now going to sit over top. So what we did is we didn't want to do a typical lap joint, because then you would know that it's not a real post. It's just done a different way. So what we wanted to do is I used a type of miter bit, which is called a double lock miter. And what that is on my shaper, it's a special bit, and this is called a double lock miter. I don't know if you can see it, but what it does is when it's fully put together, you have outside mitered edges against outside mitered edges. So it creates the illusion of a solid post versus, like a lap joint and also it gives you more strength than just a regular miter. These had a 45 miter on them because it's actually locking both pieces together at the same time. So when they're glued, they're not coming apart. You'd have to break it apart. So that's the reason we did this for this specific post, so that it looks real, it looks authentic, and therefore we have the gate which now operates, and it's a safety issue. Because if we did use the system that we just did, you'd be able to basically push this over, because all you'd be able to do is toenail. But we didn't want that, so we wanted more strength and everything. So that's why we did the post this way, because we needed it hollow instead of solid. But we also wanted to make the same appearance as a real post. So that's why we did it this way.